Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Uncle Roo from Jam Tours Africa. Miss Jam Tours, you want to drive?
Yes.
Okay. So Miss Jam Tours want to drive. She's actually going out today. And I'll explain why she's going out. Look at Amish. Come. Good thing I was watching. Good thing I was watching. So Miss Jam Tours, she want to drive. Alright, sweetie, spin it around.
What of him? He's not.
It's alright. Once the door is locked, it's alright. Just spin it around while we go. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours is going to the village. I'll explain to the more list while I spin it. Miss Jam Tours is gonna spin the car around, family. So allow her to do that. Okay, it's too tall.
So today I can drive with shoes. People who ask whether I drive barefoot.
Okay.
Because slippers is so uncomfortable.
Yeah.
When you drive.
I mean, she sit it in the back. In the back?
Love, I hope.
Yeah, one down. Eh?
You'll
I'll carry me, sweetie, don't worry. Just spin it. Because I can't pass there. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours spinning the car while we go. One lock. One lock. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours spinning the car while we go. We'll put this in. Amesh.
I'm seeing myself. Yeah. It's running. My bolt is on the way. We buy enough bundles because for even into baby Ham, I'll miss you.
Yeah, family. So we're actually heading out. And the reason why we're heading out is because a family member died in Miss Jam Tours' family. So I just want to share with you what happened when somebody died, or like a family member or a close friend. What they have to do. In Jamaica we have a thing called 9-night and grave digging and stuff in Jamaica.
Oh, they dig me.
That's what they call it in Jamaica. Grave digging and stuff. I want to put this right here, sweetie.
Okay.
Yeah, family. So we're just heading out. Yeah, family. So we're just heading out, and we just want to let you guys know what happened when somebody died. Explain to them what happened, sweetie, when somebody died.
Oh, here we have a thing called maombolezi.
So it's only for the Kikuyu tribe?
No.
For everybody?
Yeah.
Okay.
So maombolezi, I'm trying to look for. It's like going to grieve with the family.
Okay,
as
okay.
You prepare for the
burial. Okay.
So now that is what I'm going to do today, because today is a holiday.
Okay.
And I feel like I come this side so far. And so today being a holiday, it's suitable for like me, and at least also because mom is also going today now that tomorrow she's at work and all that.
Yeah.
As we wait for the burial day.
Okay.
Actually,
okay.
here it has already been set. It's next Monday, so the whole week is grieving. Maybe on Saturday or Friday they might dig the grave.
Yeah.
So here, what happens? I don't know whether this is the car. No, that one is a Nissan March. So what happens? Let's say he's to be buried on Friday. Most of the times, the nani or the grave is dug on Thursday.
Okay.
But now because it's happening on Monday, you can't they can't dig on Sunday or maybe they can dig on Saturday, yeah.
But not on Sunday.
But not on Sunday.
Okay.
Yes.
So in Jamaica, you know, it's all 2 months before somebody, a month, at least a month before somebody would bury it. So that's the difference. In Africa, they bury their dead very, very quick. In 1 week, you should be down in the ground.
Actually, we even do it late. You see, Muslims, if you die today morning, by night you're buried.
Wow.
Not by night, before the sun goes down, I think.
Yeah.
If there's a Muslim. No, not Muslim. Well, the culture, that Muslim thing.
Okay.
But now for us, now the whole of the week is grieving, you know, consoling the family.
Yeah.
So that's what we are going to do today.
Okay.
So I'm going in the village in Kikuyu.
Kikuyu. Is it deep in the village or it's just...
It's deep. My aunt lives a bit deep.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're gonna give us some footage when you go, right?
Yes, I will. Because I'm going to use bypass. I'm going to show the people what bypass looks like. You know, the sweet road bypass, this bypass.
Okay. Yeah, family, so this is how it's set up in Africa. They don't wait for 2 months, 3 months.
So in Jamaica you wait for months?
Yeah, reason for that sometimes most family members overseas and stuff and all kind of stuff.
Okay.
But that's just the general thing.
Okay.
It's more like a celebration, it's more like a party, it's more like, you know.
Yeah.
You know, it's more like that, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours is going out in the village and I'm here with Amish. I'm just staying with Amish for today.
Today you have time with your son.
Mwah. Amish, Kamesh. Yeah, family, so, you know, Miss Jam Tours is driving so good now, as you can see. She's doing so well. And she actually can take on the road by herself now. So I'm actually happy to see that she can actually, you know, do it by herself now. Yeah, so it's
You can even overtake.
you can even overtake. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tour. So what they bury in the dirt or what? They bury They bury dirt in dirt.
To that, yeah.
So how far them have to dig?
6 feet.
6 feet.
Yeah, if you hear there's a certain song here sung like I don't want to go 6 feet deep before I don't know what. So 6 feet deep is now the grave.
So most of the time now people don't find where to actually identify the grave after a while. After a while you forget, that's it. Like you don't know where it is.
You can identify it.
So what they put to for identify?
I'm trying to look for Nissan March. Is this the boat?
That's a woman, sweetie, cannot be. KCY.
Oh, this is KDC. And I even can't see him moving.
As we just go down maybe at the gas station to
It's okay.
book another one.
Okay.
I want to get a piece of watermelon at the side there. Yeah. Ba ma ma da 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 na 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 da da papa baba. Yeah, family, so baba means daddy in Kiswahili.
Yeah.
In Jamaica we say da da da. In West Africa they say papa.
Oh yeah,
Papa. Papa. But I guess he's saying baba.
He's saying baba so good. Sometimes he says it like he knows what he's saying. Baba.
Baba.
Is that he said baba yangu?
Baba yango. Baba yango.
Means my
Baba
dad.
yango. My baba yango.
And what of the coffin and stuff?
Yeah.
What of the casket?
In Jamaica everything is actually like building a house. It's like concrete, sweetie. It's not dirt.
The grave.
Yeah, it's dirt.
Oh, it's tiled inside.
Yeah, some of them tile inside, but some of them is like concrete. Like the wall there.
Right?
So you can't miss the grave. It's always there. If somebody buried in your yard or you buried in a cemetery or whatever.
Here sometimes you lose it. Sometimes. But now what people do so that you don't lose it, we still do that to that.
Yeah.
You understand? Like the grave is just soil.
Yeah.
But now what happens if you don't want to lose it at the top when after the burial has finished like today, tomorrow some people can come and put stones to surround the grave. And
but eventually it'll go move.
No, it doesn't. with. You understand? Then when they can put tiles above and cement it. Yeah. So that way you can't lose the thing.
Yeah.
But it's high. Imagine, I was wondering where is that second bounce. Thank God I wasn't on speed.
Ashes to ashes, dust stored to let. See the blood. Look at that one. What do you think?
No, I can't multitask. I'm not yet that.
Maybe we can park at the park spot right there, I guess. Yeah, family. So we reach the end of the road. And Miss Jam Tours. I want to get some watermelon from that lady right there.
Today I didn't do boom.
Today you didn't do boom.
The parking. Where is this Nissan blood clot much? Oh, he's not even coming. Let's see. All drivers are busy right now.
Well, so then try Uber then. You know, Uber never fail you.
Well, there's one.
Family, Uber never fail us.
Yeah, true. Actually,
but Bolt, not so
like
good.
When you are going to the airport.
So make sure you have Uber when you come to Kenya.
Yeah.
That Bolt not working so good now recently in Kenya.
Let me see this one. This one is on its way. Actually, it's showing it's here at bypass.
Who?
This one.
For Bolt, for Uber?
Bolt, I got one.
Okay,
Like
okay.
immediately. Let's see.
Whoa.
Make sure you don't disturb Daddy, okay? Be a sweet, cute boy like
Amish,
you are.
let it go. 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 Let it go.
I don't know whether it's because Bolt are paid so badly. Maybe that's why they behave like
Yeah, they don't want to.
Hello,
use
Peter.
Bolt.
Sasa. Okay, nime order Bolt. Uko wapi? Uko hapa 4 ways. Niko pia hapa 4 ways. Hapa Total. Uko Shell. Oh, hapa KFC. Aya, niko hapa Total. Ukiingia tu utaona fielder imepakiwa hapa kwa entrance. Aya.
What car is it?
That one. Nissan Toyota Passo.
Which one is it?
Silver. He's saying he's here at Shell.
Ah, Shell. Okay.
Go. Oh.
Who's behind us?
Yeah. Let me also ask Mom if she has arrived.
Yeah, family. So I hope you like and share this vlog.
Yeah,
Let us
I'll
know
make
your
sure you show
thoughts.
them the village.
Yes, you got to show them the village.
The village. Salama. Asante, si leo. Si leo, asante.
The Maasai tradition is to sell belt
Belt and bangles.
and bangles.
Wanyina? Ni ukinyire? Ukinyata ko?
Amas.
Jira ko, doke jire. Wait, ukinyata ha? Kado we. Guy. Nani uheto kete? Dogoto ondona dogoto. Twahota gukinyanira njitaire kiria ngari ikinye. Aya. Okay. She's like where she is, she's like 7 to 10 minutes away from Kikuyu town.
Okay.
But from there she'll have to take another matatu. So we might arrive the same time.
Okay. All right, family. So I want to go to that stall. That's not the posse of KDD. Not KDD.
KCZ.
Or maybe it's this one coming right here. All right, families. I'm gonna go to get some watermelon.
So it's this one here. 940 something. No. Casey said 8:32.
If that one
Oh,
comes.
this one. Okay.
Alright, family, so Miss Jam Tours is about to go.
Yes, my loves. I'll miss you.
Let me go with Amesh to get
Let me contribute.
some watermelon.
Bye, darlings. I miss you. Take care. Bye, Ham. You don't let go of mommy. Bye. I say hi to grandma. See you. Oh, babe. Bye.
Yeah.
Take care.
Yeah.
Take care, Nana. I will miss you. Nana. Bye.
Yeah. Alright, Amesh, let me strap you down now. Let me strap you down. Is mommy going there? See mommy going. Amesh, mommy going. Yeah, family. Alright, Amesh, let's go. We're gonna go to get some watermelon, okay? Let's go to get watermelon. Alright? Let's go. Let's go to get watermelon, Amesh. We're going to get watermelon. Watermelon, boy. Going to get watermelon, Amesh. Going to get watermelon. Watermelon. Watermelon boy. My watermelon boy. My watermelon boy. Hey, morning.
Morning.
Yeah, watermelon, you have the cut one. Oh yeah, give me that piece. Let me see it. Hold it up. Alright, nice. How much for that? Ooh. Yeah, family, so I'm getting some watermelon from the fruits lady right here at the front. My goods. So in Kenya you have a thing called M-Pesa. That's the till. You just put the number and you make your payment and it's instant. Just pull it at the back for me, please.
That one?
Yeah. How much?
240.
240. That's 240 Kenyan shillings. At $1.50. Alright, what you looking at, boy? Alright, thank you. Alright, family. Like, share, and comment on the video. Continue watching. We're out. One love. God bless. Jamaica. Amesh. Tell them goodbye. Tell them to subscribe. Tell them to share. Share. Yes, tell them to share. Share. Alright, family, we're out. Come, drink it and go to sleep. Drink and go to sleep, boy. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Drink and then you sleep, okay? Yeah, family. So I'm actually in the kitchen trying to make some porridge for Amesh at the moment. I'm actually in the kitchen trying to make some porridge for Amesh. I'm trying to make some semolina. This is actually semolina. And semolina, making semolina, family, you have to keep stirring it. So I'm actually stirring it at the moment so you don't get no lump, family. Alright, family, so like, share, and comment. This is just a vlog. a day with baby Amish alone today. So I'm just doing what we normally do in the morning. So I'm trying to get him to sleep, so I can maybe get some work done. When you wake up at night, actually you'll get this porridge to drink. Miss Jam Tours makes some ugali before she leave. I like this ugali because it has amaranth and turmeric. You notice it's not so white. This is the unga afia, and this is the ugali we use, family. This is what it looks like. Unga afia. See, as it says, sift maize flour, amaranth grain, flour with turmeric powder, family. So that is it, as you can see, family. So let's go. I'm gonna enjoy this with some greens and some avocado. But let me continue to make Amish semolina. I'll have to add some water to this now and stuff, family. So let's do this. Continue watching the vlog. We're out. Yeah, family. So I'm here actually feeding Amish with his porridge. Feeding Amish with his porridge. Come. Good boy. Feed him with his semolina. Semolina! My semolina. Semolina boy. Yes, good boy. My semolina. My semolina. Nice. 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 Yes, it's nice. Semolina, my semolina. Yeah, family, so as you can see, Amish love this porridge. I think this is like his favorite porridge. Now I'm gonna give him amaranth porridge, Wimby porridge, semolina. Yeah, these are the porridge we normally give him in the day. In the mid-morning. Mid-morning! We normally used to grow up on cornmeal porridge. Banana porridge in Jamaica. Cornmeal porridge. Yeah. These are the porridge we grew up with, but these porridge are more realer. These porridge are more natural. Banana porridge. You love banana porridge, not true? You also love banana porridge. You love your banana porridge? Yeah, families, that's Amish enjoying his semolina porridge, families. Continue to watch the vlog, like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, family, so I just got back home and I just have to change Amish. His baggie was so wet. What we're using on Amish is shea butter, family. So if you want to get your shea butter, you can actually get it from veganchoicefoods.com. Veganchoicefoods.com for clean and pretty baby skin like this, like Amish. Da 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 ba 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 ba. Amish, you have football foot. Look at your football foot. Amish leg is actually bow leg, bandy leg, and this is like football foot. Football foot, yes. Daddy like that you have football foot. Football foot. Yeah, football foot. Football foot, boy. Football foot. My football foot. Football foot. Football foot. Yeah, family. So continue watching the vlog. Like, share, and comment. We are out. Yeah, family. So we actually, me and Amish actually get out the house. Amish, we actually eating watermelon. The house is not hot. I just want to give him some fresh air. Me and him eating watermelon. Yes, nice. Watermelon sweet, not true? It's sweet. It's sweet to the belly. Yeah, family. So me and Amish enjoying watermelon on a cool tree out in the park. You want more? Come. Sleepy. Go and sleep. Sleep. The cool breeze make you want to sleep. Sleep. Yeah, family. So continue watching the vlog. Like, share, and subscribe. Ba ba ba. Ta ta. Ba ba ba. Ta ta ta. Ba ba ba. Ta ta. I give me like ta 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 Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tour is back with all these greens. As you can see, Miss Jam Tour is back with all these greens.
Yes, I cut them from far, so I don't want them to spoil. You know, once greens stay overnight, they kind of change color and stuff.
What kind of green is this? This one, what is this one?
That's callaloo.
Oh, callaloo, is that? Look.
Yeah, it's red. You can see it was this color.
These actually greens grow wild, family.
Yeah,
wild.
These ones, callaloo.
Callaloo. Wow, it's big.
So I have callaloo. Yeah, these ones are all wild. That's why they're like this.
Yeah.
I have callaloo. I had a little of nightshade. I have pumpkin leaf.
Show them the pumpkin leaf, guys. Do you guys eat pumpkin leaf? Let us know if you eat pumpkin leaf. Because there's a lot of pumpkin in Jamaica and I never eat pumpkin leaf.
So there's a difference. This is pumpkin leaf.
This is pumpkin leaf.
So it looks like. And then this is another one that looks like pumpkin leaf.
But it's not.
But it's called kahorora. See? And it's almost like the same.
Okay.
But all of them are nutritious and rich in iron. So I really carried a lot. I packed some for Hamesh.
Yeah.
Because this is what he eats. Yeah. And yes, and some for ourselves also.
Yeah, family. You're gonna cook these now, right?
So yes, I'll cook them right away.
Yeah, family.
So we had a good time in the village. Came back, feeling nice. So this is nightshade.
Okay,
Yeah, this is nightshade. So it's a whole mixture of kienyeji. We call it kienyeji greens. Kienyeji means local or something. A mixture
That's
of
in
local.
Kiswahili, Kenyeji.
Yeah. Or even people will just say kienyeji.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, just says, yes, and spinach. But even spinach is still, it has not been planted with like seeds or stuff.
Oh, this is not natural?
Not natural as per se. What they do, you see the one that has already grown. You pluck out the
buds.
manure and you go and plant it here. So that's what we do. Forgot to carry scallion. Yeah, but don't worry. Next time.
Alright, family. Like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Miss Jam Tours went to the village today.
This is nightshade. See, it's green and nice and thick.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah, family. So, rate Miss Jam Tours vlog. Let us know if you vlog well. Or if you're supposed to start vlogging.
I just started vlogging anyhow. Yeah.
Yeah, family. So, I'm out. One love. God bless. Jamaica.